Since it's kind of windy outside, I don't have on my respirator, a mask for PPE. All I do, when I just squirt the paint, you see which way the wind taking it. So the wind, I know the wind is blowing that way. So that let me know be on to spray in this direction. So the wind will just take it on away from me, so I won't have to be breathing in paint. All right. If you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment if you like, and share it out with other people. Follow along. Yeah, follow along. Okay? Let's get into it. This is the direction in which the wind is blowing. So I gotta make sure I stand out from it again, so once the paint starts spraying, it don't come back towards me, and definitely not towards you. Stand back on this side.